How to view your location history on Android using Google Maps Timeline. This feature lets you see places you visited and review your travel history as long as location history is enabled for your Google account. To get started, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and select Your Timeline. Here, you'll see your recent locations and trips. You can also switch between different tabs to see places, cities, trips, or insights, depending on the version of Google Maps you're using. If your timeline appears empty, it's likely that location history is turned off, or there isn't enough location data available for the selected date. That's it. You've successfully learned how to view your location history on Android using Google Maps Timeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and Google Maps tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.